Ever struggled to plan the perfect trip? Imagine having a visual itinerary created by MAPOG that guides you effortlessly. No more flipping between maps and notes. So, let's get started. Name your itinerary. Drop your travel points by searching them manually. Hotels, must-visit spots, and dining stops. Want details? Add descriptions, images, travel tips like days number, what kind of activities you're doing, and best visiting hours, all in one place. Switch to a satellite view or roadmap. Customize routes. And even share it with friends or clients. From solo adventures to guided tours, MAPOG makes travel planning seamless. Try it today and map your next adventure. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.